Do your thing. Do your thing, no problem. Just make an intro with the place.
When I go police war, right? When I go police war, I don't want to do it other way than the minibus. I said the minibus.
Horse is rest period.
Alright, the racers, please come out the ring. I beg of you.
Rock one. Rock out. 2, 3.
Get the ring. Step outside of the ring.
1. No, flip. 5. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Here I got Rocker. 22. 10. Rocker. Go, clear. 11. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 12. 30. 31. 32. No. Sip. 33.
You have to throw the 2 by
4. 5.
No, you're rocking. No, this one over, so you gotta drop 1 over there.
Rocker. 6.
Rocker.
15. Or 7. No. Drop it. 36. Rocker. 7. 38. 9. Rocker. 18. Party. Rocker. 18. Rocker. 20. Rocker. 1. Rocker. 2. Part 2. Shepard. Part 1.
No.
Rocker. Part 2. Rocker. Part 3. More friend. Part 4. Part 3. Part 6. Rocker. 7. Part 5. Part 6. Rocker. Part 7. Rocker. 29. Part 8. Part 9. Rocker. 50.
Why has one?
It's objected, correct.
When you object, the man want somebody. When this man object, the man drop it. When the man object, I drop in here. Yeah, when the man object.
Good morning once again. We would have just concluded a wonderful and a grand event that would have involved the Westside and All Star. However, we want to say kudos to all of those who would have taken time off out of your busy schedule, parting with your bed and family to be out here. Why? Because we acknowledge that board racing is one of the most emerging events that a man and even women now are participating in. However, we would have had 5 races this morning and 5 phenomenal races. However, All Star would have emerged winner by taking away 5 of the races, and we don't have to say 2 went to Westside, right? So with this, we are here standing to do nothing other than the presentation to the winners, and we would have presentation for the fastest board and also the winners. Also, we're not forgetting those who would have brought second, which is the runner-up, right? So we're going to now go right into the presentation, and we're going to call the first race, who is CHOWMEIN man, and here he is.
No.
Salim would have been. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for these winners, man.
Yeah, yes.
Terry presenting to Salim, March winner. We're going to be asking Terry to receive on behalf of Uncle Bell, who would have played the fastest time, 3 point something of a minute. 2 trophies awarded to Uncle Bell. Terry being the recipient. Chris, other race, margin win is Chris. Chris, can you come to uplift? Chris is on his way. Put your hands together for Chris, man. Yes.
Alright, go.
Go. This is Uncle Gop, a legendary. One who would have been around the board racing forever. He's one of the longest board racers standing at this moment, and this morning he would have emerged winner also. Put your hands together for him. Uncle Gop, we salute you.
Alright, we got the runner-up trophies. Prim. That's it, Terry.
That's it.
Trophy when you collect the bike.
Hey, you tell him to come in the trophy.
Alright.
The general himself.
The general himself.
Congratulations for presenting the season.
You lose a trophy, you were smiling. Share the
Anwar.
You the shame of your performance.
Anwar.
You could only get away. You could only get away walk for.
Keep the bike.
Anwar.